Hey, what's going on, Patojos, Patojas? Today I'm gonna show you how to cut your shower valve hose and the pipes. Just top it a little bit, not too hard. You don't want to break your pipe. And then you want to get your drill with a drill bit, diamond blade drill bit. Just got that hole. We use this, the one for wood too, and it doesn't really matter. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dry feed all board, and then boom, like nothing, piece of cake. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here at the shower valve. Just hit it, get the mark right there as you can see, and then boom, tap it again a little bit, get the second one done, like nothing. See you in the next one.